Okay, quick video here on this cargo carrier we got from Amazon for $229. I wanted to use something for craft shows, so storage bins, camping chairs, tents, things like that to set up for events and make it easier, more efficient, so we didn't have to get a trailer and register, insure it, and try to store something like that. So this was a great option, perfect size for what we needed it for. And it says in the description, I thought it said 500 pounds, but this one actually says 400 for max weight. So that actually might be considering the actual unit itself. It's probably about, maybe about 100 pounds, I don't know. But anyways, I'll show you a little bit about some of the components here, how it attaches to a 2-inch receiver hitch. I actually had an 1.25 inches on this. Had to upgrade to a 2-inch hitch, but you can see how it connects through. There's one big bolt there that connects to the actual hitch. And then up here, it's a stabilizer. I don't know if it stabilizes it so it supports it so it doesn't sway from side to side. And you have your cotter pin going through, and then the actual main bolt that locks it in place. So to take it off, all you do is you take that cotter pin up here on the left, and you take that locking pin on the right, and you can actually dismount this from the actual hitch itself. So as far as size, it's 5 feet wide. Okay, so it's about as wide as the car, or almost as wide as a car, and it's quiet, so you can't really hear it or see it unless it's empty. If you're going over railroad tracks, you hear it maybe rattle slightly, but it's really sturdy and stable. So I always checked every time before we left to make sure it was secure, and some cool features. So this thing here pops off, little locking nut. There, it comes off like that. You can load something on the side, and then the other side also folds down in place just with that same locking pin right there. So you just pull that. This whole thing can actually lay flat and fold up against the car. I never had to do it, but that's how that works. So all in all, here's the instructions. A variety of sockets and a couple open-end wrenches is what I used to tighten everything down. So instructions are pretty simple. They're not that difficult like some instructions are, but that's pretty much how it works. And as far as the first step to actually assemble this, you have to use those bars across the top here with those nuts. So that's how you assembled it. And then there's another look at the side as far as the cotter pin and the locking nut that goes through. And then that's pretty much it. So all in all, pretty satisfied with this product. Works really well, and stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe, and talk to you guys soon. Thank you.